All around the city, you'll see the blue sign with the white arrow pointing down, and it says Metro. That tells you there is a metro inside. There are a few different lines, and you can tell the difference because they're all a different color. The two most popular lines that you will probably use are the green line and the orange line. The trains run really often, so during the day you'll probably only have to wait about 5 minutes for the next train. Your transit pass for buses and metros is your Opus card. It looks like this. So let's say that I'm starting at Square Victoria and I want to go to Snowdon. On the map, look at the last line in the direction you're going. Here it's code fare 2. Once you're in the metro, follow the sign that's pointing to code fare 2, and then wait for the train. If you're starting at Guy Concordia and you want to go to Saint Laurent, then look for the sign that says Honoré Beaugrand. There are some stations where the lines cross and you can switch trains. If you look at the map, you'll see where they are and where they're going. To exit, follow the red sign that says Sortie with an arrow. Alright, I'm starting downtown at Berry-UQAM and I want to go see Montreal. I start outside where I see this sign and I get on a train. It will say the name of the stop while I'm on the train and then again when I step outside. So I know I'm in the right place. I follow the exit sign to come out of the metro, and then once I'm outside, I see the street name Montreal. Okay, so what if the place you want to go isn't close to a metro? Montreal also has a lot of buses you can take. You can catch buses at the metro stations that go to other places. If I wanted to go to John Abbott College, I would catch the 4:05 bus at Lionel Groulx Metro. At the bus stops, you can see a schedule that shows you what days the bus runs, what hour, and what minute. Alright, that's it! I hope you have a great time getting to know Montreal and getting to know all the different ways that you can get around.